Imagine you're an operator in a busy manufacturing plant. Production is running smoothly, every machine is operating as expected, and everything is on schedule. Suddenly, one of the robotic arms suffers an electrical failure. Sparks appear, the robot stops responding, and production has been interrupted. As an operator, you immediately create a maintenance request to report the issue. But you're not the only one who noticed the breakdown. Another operator reports the same issue. The shift supervisor creates another request. Within minutes, multiple maintenance requests exist for the exact same equipment failure. Now, the maintenance team faces a completely different problem. Which request is the original? Which requests are duplicate? Has someone already started working on this issue? Or worse, has a work order already been created? Instead of fixing the machine, they're busy sorting requests. This is where the Hitachi Solutions Maintenance Request Triage agent steps in. The moment a new maintenance request is created, the agent automatically starts in the background. Using the MCP server, it reads live maintenance requests, asset information, and fault details directly from Dynamics 365 to understand whether it's a new issue or a duplicate of an existing one. The agent compares the asset ID, request type, creation time, and fault details to identify duplicate maintenance requests. It selects a single master request, marks the remaining requests as duplicates, updates everything back into Dynamics 365, and automatically sends a summary email to the maintenance planner, creating a single source of truth for the entire maintenance process. Now, instead of sorting through duplicate requests, the maintenance team receives one clean, prioritized request and can focus on what matters most, getting the production line running again. That's the power of the Hitachi Solutions Maintenance Request Triage agent, powered by AI and MCP.